Get back in this tree. Oh!
It's talking to the squirrels.
Don't get run over.
We're going on a fart walk. That's what they call it. That's what it's called now when you become a senior citizen.
My life. Go kill some mosquitoes.
And here we are. And look at this. Jeff says, see you later. Can I get a little closer? Why? I'm not going to get to it. I just want to walk this way. Oh, yeah, his tongue is coming out. I see he's alive. I know he's not poisonous, though, but it still hurts if you get bit. I understand that. All right. We just got here. How is this? Why, babe? Oh, man. He doesn't want to go down the walking fart trail now because of this guy. All right, I guess we have to go to the park. I love walking here because of the trees and it's just such nature, you know? Hug a tree, breathe the fresh air, mental health, clarity, and you have ruined it, Snaky Poo. Why are you clapping at it? Oh my word. Yeah, babe, I saw it, but I thought it was dead. You think there's going to be more on the trail?
Yep.
Well, I'm not dressed for YouTube, as they say. You're not dressed for YouTube. I'm not dressed for getting bit by a snake today.
Let's get 4 feet.
Yeah. You sure you don't want to just walk a little?
Nope. That's a sign, Linda.
It's a sign, all right. He says it's a sign. So we're going to the park. Redirect. We're going to the park for our walk today. Horseshoes, where are you?
5 foot like snake.
The
Change
horseshoes
your
are
mind.
not out. Yeah, the snake was blocking.
Game changer.
Yeah, Game Changer was blocking our entrance. That was a sign,
It was a snake.
Jeff said.
Snake keeper.
Yeah.
Right.
Redo.
Freaking believe it.
Here we go. No snake at this entryway. We had to pay a fee to go to the other one. We said, nope, we're not doing that. Come on, Mr. Fart Box. Let's get your walk on. Where are you? Hi, squirrel. I see you. Squirrels, actually. It's a beautiful day. The sun isn't out, but this sunshine is. And that sunshine is. Hi, babe. Pick it up a notch. You're not getting any cardio in that way. Wave, babe. Tell everybody happy Friday.
Friday.
Happy Friday.
Snake day.
No snake day. Happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Stay blessed. Unbelievable. Now this little guy doesn't want to let us. Okay. Okay, babe. It's safe. He's not barking anymore. Come on. Keep going. Keep it moving. Chimichanga. Go. You're good. I'm not hurting you. I'm just going for a walk, or trying to, for goodness sakes. Look at those beautiful flowers. Look at that beautiful man.
That's pretty.
Yeah, it is. It is beautiful.
Go walk through it.
Oh my. Okay.
Marking his territory.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. We got off to a rough start, but we're doing it. We're going. Keep it moving. I'm not trying to hurt you. You don't try to hurt me. Bye. Have a good weekend. Oh gosh, that was scary.